What a beautiful morning it is here in southern Sweden. Yeah, this week is going to be all about building tons of acoustic treatment, membrane absorbers, open absorbers. So yeah, this week at least this end wall, if I have time, up here as well, and maybe some more over here. Yeah, let's see how far I get. Thanks very much to all the new subscribers and members. Really appreciate your support. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's see how we get on. Whoops, sorry, I didn't film that, but I've just painted these with 2 coats. So now I will try somehow to get these up on the wall. There is a load of stuff in the way. Yeah, alright, let's see what happens. Fuck's sake. All right, I've got those 2 up. We had a comment on last week's video from Sam Lench 8522, I think, who pointed out that in order for these to work really properly, they need to be sealed, so like airtight. And on the bass traps I did last week, there's definitely a little crack there. So as I put these all together, I'm going to just seal around the inside edge with some sealant, and I will just run a little bit around the edge of these bass traps as well, just so they're kind of sealed. But yeah, thanks Sam Lench 8522. Alright, I think this is going to be hard to see on camera, but because this fabric has kind of stripes in it, I'm trying to make those stripes line up with the edges of the frame, which is a little bit tricky, but I'm basically, because I can see through this, the light is shining through, I can see the weave of the cloth, and I'm just tracing down to try and make sure that I'm pretty straight on the edges because I think it will just look a lot more professional, basically. That's the idea. Okay, making progress. It's Friday evening. I really want to get this finished this week, so I'll work tomorrow as well. All the bottom ones are hung. I think actually I didn't show you how I hung them, but they are basically, I just screwed little plates on, little pieces of wood. I screwed them to the wall in the right position so that the little feet that I'm screwing onto each of them could then screw into that little plate. Okay, is this cool? Do I like the colours? I think so. Yeah. It's going to have white, purple, white going across the top. I think it's going to be cool. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure everyone in the comments is going to either say they like it or they hate it. But yeah, I think I like it. I can always change it. Anyway, I am finished. I can't really, I have no energy to do the other side right now, so I'll do that next week and get all of this finished off next week, build shelves and tidy this place up and set it up for next week's session, which I'm very excited about. Cool, thanks very much for watching to the end. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week. Until then, lots of love, look after each other, and goodbye.